And we're back to learning Gimp in a year, day 5. Let us create our first document. Just go to File, New, and then this menu should pop up. You can adjust width and height, or just pick a template via the dropdown, and then width and height will be adjusted automatically. For example, here 1280 x 720. And if I switch, for example, to iPhone size, you can also see that the unit changes. So in this case, millimeters is the default. And if we switch to display, we have pixels again. So that would be 1600 x 1200. And there's already the basic adjustment here of creating a new file to work with. You can see there are lots of templates inbuilt. This basically covers everything that you need. For example, for social media, print, stuff like that. Here's a flip option where you can just invert width and height. It's simply a 90-degree rotation of the document. And when you confirm it via OK, you can see it. And here we have 1920 x 1080, which is also indicated by the rulers. Let me activate, for example, the brush. And if I paint on it, you can see we can only paint on this page, which is also called the canvas. So if I start drawing on the outside on this grayish area, this won't be displayed. It's only on the white area, our document or canvas. So important here, File, New, you can adjust width, height, and the unit, or pick a template. And you can see that new document as a tab right here. There's also an X if you want to close it. I can discard the changes, and then we are back to the start window. And this is how you can create a new document in Gimp. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.